A clever crow. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town nestled between lush green hills, there lived a curious and clever crow named Claire. Claire had sleek black feathers that sparkled in the sunlight, making him stand out from the other crows in the area. Claire was unlike any other crow because he possessed an extraordinary ability. He could speak in a language that humans understood. This special gift made him a beloved creature among the people of the town. One fine morning, as Claire was soaring through the sky, he noticed a commotion near the town square. He flew down to investigate and found a group of children gathered around a stranded kitten mewing helplessly from a tree branch. The children were worried and didn't know what to do. Claire, being the helpful crow that he was, hopped closer to get a better look. He cawed softly, catching the attention of the children. With a mischievous gleam in his eyes, Claire began mimicking the sounds of a worried mother cat. The children were amazed. They realized that Claire was trying to communicate with the kitten and help it feel safe. Claire beckoned the children to gather twigs and leaves from the ground, showing them how to create a makeshift ladder to reach the stranded feline. The children eagerly followed Claire's instructions and together they built a sturdy ladder. One brave child climbed up and gently carried the frightened kitten back to the ground, where it was greeted with cheers and sigh of relief. Claire hopped around, flapping his wings in joy, as the children thanked him for his remarkable assistance. From that day forward, Claire became a beloved hero in the town, known for his incredible ability to communicate and help creatures in need. The news of Claire's extraordinary gift spread far and wide, attracting visitors from nearby towns. People would come to see Claire's wisdom and advice whenever they faced challenges or needed a friendly companion. Claire would always lend an ear and offer his unique perspective, bringing smiles to their faces and guiding them towards solutions. The children of the town cherished Claire the most. They would often visit him, sharing stories and laughter, and Claire would reciprocate by entertaining them with his funny antics and wise tales. Claire, the clear-speaking crow, continued to soar high in the sky, spreading happiness and kindness wherever he went. He taught everyone the value of empathy, communication, and the extraordinary things that can happen when we come together to help one another. And so the legend of Claire, the clear-speaking crow, lived on, inspiring generations to be compassionate and understanding, reminding us all that even the smallest acts of kindness can make a world of difference.